Welcome on Python Programming Full Course Basics, OOP, Modules and PyQt. A new course is gonna to start teach you everything you need to know about Python programming language. But before talking about the course, let's introduce myself. My name is Mahmoud Ahmad. I'm a Python developer for more than 3 years. I have a knowledge in Kiwi, Pygame, PyQt, Django, network, web testing, and some other stuff and programming languages. I also have some courses on YouTube, Udemy, and some other websites. In this new course, I'll start teaching you everything you need to know about Python programming language from scratch. We will start about course introduction, then we will learn how we can install Python and PyCharm editor on our machine. Then we will move to talking about programming introduction, what we mean about programming high-level languages and low-level languages. Then we will move to a new part. We will start talking about Python programming language, Python history. Then we will talk about Python variables, operators, and the Python editors. Then we will talk about Python conditions, loops. Then we will talk about Python functions, input, output, how we can take input from user and read with text files. OOP introduction. We will talk about objects, classes, methods, and attributes. Then we will talk about self, constructors, polymorphism, inheritance, and so on. Then we will talk about exception handling in details in Python. Then we will talk about modules like sorting, OS module, datetime module, calendar, and so on. Then we will see some examples which will connect everything we have learned through the course to make you think like programmers. Then we will move to a new part. We will start talking about GUI with the amazing framework PyQt. Then we will see a final project, GUI project with PyQt, so that you can learn and build everything you want in Python with basics, modules, object-oriented, and PyQt. In the next video, I'll see you a full details about every section of our course. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to see the next video and see you next one.